Hey everyone, this is a quick video to talk you through our first ever Learning at Home maths project. It is a timetable task and hopefully you find it really valuable and it supports you in your learning from home. Remember, if you have any questions, make sure you chat to one of your teachers using the chat function, either on the team or by messaging your teacher directly. This is Charlie. He loves a timetable. It helps him know his routine, knows when he's going to eat, sleep, and exercise. And for you guys, I'm sure you'll find it super valuable as well. Your first maths project for learning at home is a maths timetable task. This task will help you plan and manage your time while learning at home. Task 1 is all about developing your timetable. This little task is due on Friday, the 24th of April. For task 1, you'll be developing your weekly timetable for learning at home. Follow the steps below and you'll complete a thorough plan for the week. This is a screenshot of the timetable, but the timetable you'll be filling in, so each of the steps you will add on this timetable down here. So you can write here, you can change the colors, and it might go over a few pages, but that is totally fine. So the first thing that we need to remember is that what we do during school times is based off the official PHS Learning at Home timetable. So step 1 is to fill in the non-negotiables. Using our new timetable up here, you're going to start by adding the inspiration sessions on Mondays and Tuesdays. These are highlighted in aqua. Find your class in each inspiration session and fill it into the timetable below. For example, you might be in Miss Graham's maths class on Mondays at 9 a.m, so you'll write that in there. It's really important that because there are so many teams on Teams, you link that channel to your timetable. That way, when it's Monday morning, you don't have to go searching through Teams. You can just click the link and it will take you there. This little box here will tell you how to do that. Step 2 is adding the independent maths and English sessions. So these run on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday mornings, and these are written in Lime. So you've already added your inspiration sessions to the timetable. Now you need to add your maths and English sessions. A really cool trick is that we have already linked the all students maths and English channels here. So all you need to do is copy and paste that link in the timetable below and you'll be able to get straight to that channel. Step number 3 is to add the Wellbeing, Healthy Body, Healthy Mind and Friday Fun Challenge sessions. These are all on the Paran High School timetable in dark blue. So copy these into your timetable and you can also link specific locations from Teams to those spots on your timetable as well. Step number 4 is add all the fun stuff to your timetable. So write down when you're going to snack, when you're going to have recharge, lunch, breakfast, dinner, any other snacks. You get to include before and after school activities. So when you might go for a walk and how long that might be for. If you take the dog for a walk, when you might do some exercise or some sport. You can also add in some mindfulness. So set aside some time to do some reading or craft or colouring in, whatever helps you relax and recharge. Speaking of recharging, step number 5 is choose a time when you'll aim to go to sleep. So this poster here tells you that sleep recharges you. Perform best, feel great, learn more and look better. So the American Academy of Sleep Medicine recommends 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night for 13 to 18-year-olds. So see if you can schedule that sleep in as well. A hot tip on how to merge cells in a table so that they become one box is included below. And our lucky last step, complete your independent study time. So you'll notice on the Paran timetable, there is heaps of independent learning time. You now need to decide how you'll split that time up to study. So you need to make time to study for each of your classes, and that will involve completing your weekly tasks. Maths and English don't require as much independent study time because you already get that on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday mornings. You need to decide if you'll dedicate one session for each subject, or if you have trouble concentrating, maybe 30 minutes per subject will be better for you. Remember to include a link to the Teams subject to get easy access to assistance. So this is the timetable now. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like when you add in all your sessions, your independent study time, and all the activities you'd like to do before and after school. Remember, make it achievable, make it something that you're going to stick to. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask your teachers. On the last page, I have linked a couple of screenshots to some YouTube videos. So this one here talks about the importance of time management for a better lifestyle. And this one here talks about merging cells in tables, so it's a bit of a how-to guide. And these two videos down the bottom are just simple little videos that talk about how to create a productive workspace and a nice study space at home. Don't forget, this task is due on Friday the 24th of April, and we will let you know how to submit that.